primetime news this evening. Flash flood warning extended into Wednesday. At least 30 roads impacted across several parishes due to heavy rains. And old problems resurface in communities flooded due to heavy rains.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And a special welcome as well to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, the Port Authority of Jamaica says construction of the Special Economic Zone is on track to begin in early 2025. And new Chief Financial Officer at RJR Glena Communications Group assumes duties. Tell you about that a little later on in the business day.
And to tell us what's happening in sports, Renardo Brown is here with a preview. Renardo.
Well, Gio, Cayman Park has not been spared of the effects of Tropical Storm Rafael, as several areas were flooded on Tuesday, and the West Indies will look to clinch their 3-match one-day international series against England on Wednesday. Let's see what will happen. We'll have those and much more in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what was the weather like in your area today?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.